video, we're going to share with you 7 secret passive income ideas. If you or someone you know is having trouble finding time for yourself as you work day in and day out to earn enough money to meet your needs, then we believe that you've come to the right place, because by the end of this video, you're going to know how to set up a wide variety of passive sources of income that'll allow you to have money coming in without having to spend more time at your job. Welcome back, Money Masters. It's another Wealthy Wednesday, where we open the kimono and reveal the secrets that the wealthy elite have been using for decades to generate massive amounts of passive income through entrepreneurship and investing. As we mentioned earlier, today we're going to be talking about 7 secret passive income ideas, which will help you set up various passive sources of income that'll help you earn while you're doing other things. But before we dive in, I just want to let you know that on Friday, we'll be discussing 10 common money mistakes you may be making right now. So if you don't want to risk missing out on that episode, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can be notified of our next amazing video. Okay, with all that said, if you're like us and are totally committed to obtaining financial independence, then go ahead and tap that like button and let's get into it. Secret 1. Publishing and selling your own ebooks. Writing can be pretty fun and therapeutic for a lot of people. So why not try and make some money while writing? Publishing ebooks is pretty simple. A laptop, a text editor, some cover art for your book, and a little bit of time is all you'll need. Writing an ebook is often completely free too, unless you want professional help with the writing, editing, or graphics of your book, though it shouldn't be expensive if you look in the right places. For example, Fiverr has freelancers looking to help out at an affordable rate. All in all, professional help from freelancers would only set you back for around $40 to $50. In return, you get an ebook that just might help you earn passive income for years to come. For ideas on the content of your book, take a look at your old writings, essays, or research papers. You could also consider writing a practical guide about a certain topic that you're really familiar with. For example, if you have a good idea of how you can live on a tight budget and still enjoy the wonders of life, you could write about that. You can even take a chance and try your hand at translating someone else's work if you're fluent in another language. For publishing, we recommend Payhip and Selfie, which are e-commerce websites that have free offerings for all new users. Payhip offers a variety of features like discount codes, marketing, and analytics, and lets you create affiliates that can help market your book. Users may also avail of a free plan on Payhip with no product limits, with a 5% transaction fee on sales. Selfie is a more beginner-friendly site, where it takes just a few clicks to set up your first online store with 0% transaction fees and a free plan which allows you to sell a maximum of 10 separate products, which is more than you'll need for selling your ebook. Secret number 2, starting a channel on YouTube. Would you believe that a single viral video on YouTube can end up making you more than $30,000 per year? It's true. You have to do the upfront work of creating the video, but once it's posted, it could be making you money while you sleep. The great thing about starting a YouTube channel is that they're completely free to create and can be created and owned by just about anyone, even regular people like you and me. If you are patient and consistently post useful content, you can start building an audience as soon as today. Once your channel starts to take off, you'll have access to a lot of income streams, including ad revenue, channel memberships, super chats, and stickers, as well as possible sponsorships with companies looking to be promoted in your videos. You could even take the time to design and produce merchandise for your channel that you could sell to your audience. Or use your channel to promote your Patreon so that your audience could directly support you. Secret 3. Take up blogging. Keeping up with the theme of writing from our first secret, we suggest starting a blog because it's a very good way of earning money while writing about something you're passionate or very informed about, while providing valuable content to people who are looking to learn and be entertained. Earning money from blogs can take lots of forms, but some of the most recognizable ones are the promotion of affiliate products, selling ad space on your site, and reviewing, writing, or posting sponsored content on your blogs. Some bloggers earn money by promoting their consultation services, selling merchandise, or adding a job board to their blog. There are a lot of ways blogs can earn money passively, and you can take advantage of this too. It does take a bit of work to get a blog set up, and that includes researching and creating your content, optimizing it for search engines, and even marketing your content. But once all of this is done, and your content is online, that content will consistently bring in some money as your blog gets more clicks. Startup costs are also cheap, since you only need to pay for a domain and web hosting. GoDaddy offers $2.99 a month the first year and $7.99 after on their economy plan. HostGator is also another option, with a hatchling plan that costs $2.75 to begin with, but renews at $6.95 once your first term is over. If you guys have any suggestions of hosting sites with good benefits and prices, let us know in the comments down below. We're always looking for other good domains and web hosting services. Secret 4. Publishing and creating an online course. Online courses on sites like Skillshare, Coursera, or Udemy are another great way to earn money passively, with people who are knowledgeable on certain topics earning lots of money by educating people who are willing to learn from them via their online courses. One of the advantages of online courses is that there's also pretty much no limit to the kinds of topics that you could create a course on. People use online courses to teach anything from subjects you normally hear about in school, like English or mathematics, to topics like photography, computer science, business, and marketing, and even personal development. If you feel like you're skilled or knowledgeable in any area that you think you'd be able to teach to a lot of people and would be really useful for them, then consider making an online course and sharing it with others. Creating and publishing a course isn't particularly expensive either. Online courses tend to consist mostly of slideshows or videos that can be made even with a smartphone, meaning you can prepare your course material without having to invest much money in it. You can then upload those courses onto sites like Udemy for free, with Udemy taking a 3% revenue share on course sales made by instructor coupons and a 63% revenue share on all other course sales. You could also try uploading your course as a premium class for free on Skillshare, earning you $10 for premium membership referrals and royalties for minutes watched in a premium class each month. Secret 5. Starting up an online dropshipping store. The e-commerce industry has consistently grown in recent years, and creating an online store would be a good way to join in. There are different types of e-commerce stores, including print-on-demand online stores and made-to-order custom product stores. But one business model of interest is dropshipping. In case you're not familiar with dropshipping, it's a business model where a product is sold to a customer by you, but your supplier, who also takes care of the storage of your products, is the one facilitating the packaging and delivering of the product directly to your customer. This business model is both inexpensive and nearly hassle-free, as you won't need to worry about ordering and managing your stock, since all of the products will be stored by your supplier. The same goes for the startup of your dropshipping store, since there are several beginner-friendly websites that allow you to set up your stores easily and for free, or for around $30 a month, such as WooCommerce, Shopify, or Magento. If any of you currently own or are considering opening a drop shipping store or are currently a drop shipping supplier, be sure to share about it with us and everyone else in the comments down below. We'd love to hear your experience. Secret idea number 6, understanding and capitalizing on high bank account interest rates. Bank accounts are a very useful way for pretty much anyone to be able to save their money and to manage their financial assets. But you could take the benefits these provide a step further by making use of bank accounts that have high interest rates. Depositing your money into savings accounts with higher interest rates will help you earn more money passively at a faster rate than if you left your money in your current bank account. There are several banks that offer savings accounts with a low or zero minimum balance, allowing you to set one up without much of a financial hitch. Many of these include online banks such as Ally Bank, Brio Direct Bank, TIAA Bank, and Discover Bank, which all have interest rates that go above the average yields offered by many other banks, while also boasting low or no minimum deposit and low or no monthly fees. Secret passive income idea number 7, starting up an advertising agency. Social media is a very powerful tool that can very easily boost the reputation of a business, and it's very likely that a lot of small businesses have stayed small because of how little they try to promote themselves or attempt to garner attention towards their business using advertising. However, you could start a small advertising agency, even if it's just you initially. Step in on behalf of these small businesses and start developing their ad campaigns for them. Fortunately, there are even videos on YouTube and online courses on websites like Udemy or Coursera that will help you do just that, either for free or for a very affordable price. There are even tools like RevealBot and the Next Ad that you can leverage to generate and manage high-quality advertisements for your clients. From there, all you need to do once an advertising campaign is set up and is running smoothly is simply check in and make sure things are running all right. The sweet part of this is that there's also a very low investment needed to get this going, since this strategy only requires that you undergo a Facebook ads course or gain knowledge about starting and optimizing Facebook advertisements. If you have a knack for social media management and advertising, then you just might be able to make a difference for these small businesses while making a positive difference in your balance all the same. And that's all the 7 secret passive income ideas that we have for you in this video. We hope you learned some very helpful insights from what we've shared with you today. Please don't forget to leave a like on our video if it was able to help inform and positively influence your financial decisions and lifestyle. And leave a comment down below about how you feel like this video will help you boost your overall income. Also, if you love our content, subscribe for more Money Masters content and updates so that you don't miss out on our next episode of Financial Friday, where we'll be discussing 10 common money mistakes you may be making right now. Lastly, we'd like you to consider sharing this video with at least one friend. It would mean the world to us if you would join us in this mission of helping good people like you keep more of what you earn and earn more from what you keep. That'll be all from us in this video, Money Masters. We'll see you in the next video.